Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna talk about the idea of inverse function. Basically the inverse function means that reverse of a function, or if we have a function of this, so we want to know what is the inverse of this function. What is if we go back to this function? All right, so it is a very easy concept. You just need to follow some very basic steps and you will be master on this. So let's get started. Before we start, we need to follow the rules. Okay, so the first step says that always let, sorry, always let f of x to be equal to y. So this is your first ever step that you have to do, is always let f of x to be equal to y. If we have f of x is equal to square root x plus 2 minus 5, we need to change f of x to y. The second step that we have to do is we have to replace x to y. Alright, so we have to replace the x with y in the formula. Alright, we'll go through them step by step. And step 3 is make the y to be the subject. So this is the most tricky part of each question, that you need to make this y to be the subject. Alright, and at the end what you have to add is, instead of the y, you need to write back f negative 1 x, which is the symbol. You can call it the sign, you can call it the notation. So it's the notation of the inverse function. Alright, okay, now we go back to the question. The question says that inverse this function. Alright, so we follow the steps. We'll let the f of x to be equal to y, so we're gonna say y is equal to x plus 2 minus 5. The second step is, they say that change the place of x and y, so we say x is equal to square root y plus 2 minus 5. The third step is make the y to be subject. So in order to make the y to be subject, we should be very good in algebra. Okay, so we should see what are the things that should be changed. So from now I can see that there's a minus 5 that can be moved. So now we can say x plus 5 power of 2 is equal to y plus 2. In order to get rid of this square root, we can simply square the left side of this equation, and then simply just move the negative 2 to the other side. What we will have is y is equal to x plus 5 power of 2 minus 2, right? So if we want to make, we should actually open the bracket, so we have to simplify it as much as we can. We know that x plus 5 to the power of 2 is x squared plus 10x plus 25 minus 2, where at the end we can say f negative 1 power of x is equal to x squared plus 10 plus 10x plus 23. So this is the f inverse of the equation above that we had. It's very easy steps. You need to follow the steps that I showed you. And the first one, let the f of x be equal to y, replace x with y, make the y to be the subject, and put the notation of inverse function, which is f power of negative 1 x. And that's it. Thank you very much everyone for watching the video. If you would like to more know about maths, if you have any questions on a specific topic, comment down below and let me know. Thank you everyone.